What's up, YouTube? So I traveled to Decorah, Iowa to come check out the beautiful Dunning Springs waterfall. As you see, beautiful waterfall. Came up here to have lunch with my family. This is one of the nicest waterfalls here in Iowa. There's also caves, lots of wildlife. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, I'll hit you back when I climb up there. What's up, guys? I'm at the top of the waterfall now. It opens up from a cave. We're gonna walk up here to this cave. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Very beautiful structure. Lander, be careful. Yeah, look at this. Beautiful. Me and my sons are up here. Yeah, this is Decorah, Iowa. It's so beautiful here. Alright guys, I'll hit you back when I get to this cave. Alright guys, we are at the opening of this here cave. It's an ice cave. Look at that. Wow. That is cool. I wish I would have brought my flashlight, but yeah, this is all water right here. And it comes down, all the way down to the bottom of the spring. It is very beautiful and very cold. All these caverns everywhere. Very, very beautiful. Wish I could get back there. Show you guys how beautiful it is. Look at that. Amazing. Aries, you wait for us? I got my sons out here with me on an adventure. It's very beautiful. So now we're on the other side. That's where I was just standing. This is the cave. Let's see if we can put a light on it. My flashlight doesn't work so good. So yeah, it's very, very skinny back there, but it does enter. All of this is ice. So they call it an ice cave. Lots of nasty spiders. Get your hands off the walls. I got my kids with me. There's bats in here. Look at that though. Wow. It's amazing. Yeah, and the water just comes out of here very slowly. As you can hear, it's moving. Look at that. Yep, that's where it comes out. It's all crystal clear water. Very, very beautiful. I love coming to Decorah. I love experiencing this. I think my favorite part is washing my face in this nice, beautiful water. Where's Aries? Aries, come here! Alright guys, we are in the center of the waterfall now. That's the opening we were just at. Beautiful cave. Beautiful. And then it drops down. That is gorgeous. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Yeah, anybody's in Iowa, I suggest coming to Dunning Springs and Decorah. It is a beautiful place. I keep saying that, but it is. There's so much stuff here to do. Alright, when we get to the ice cave, I will hit you back. Alright. What's up, guys? I am in an ice cave in Decorah. It's very dark in here, as you see. It's pretty cool. It's a cave with ice all over the walls. All the shiny stuff you see is ice. And if you're really handy, you can go to all these little caverns, but I got my 2 sons with me, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, it is very dark. Lena, turn your light off. Hey, turn your light off for a second. Turn it off. Look how dark that is. Wow. Let me bring the light up. So you have a good old ice cave. This is in Decorah, Iowa.
Yeah, if you turn your light off, you can't even see nothing.
Yeah, if you turn your lights off, it's pitch black and it's cold in here. So you can see my breath.
I see a bunch of...
Really cool. Really cool cave. There's old relief paintings on the walls.
Where?
Or it's like Indian paintings. I don't know what tribe is native to here, but it's pretty neat. It's a pretty cool cave. Last time we came, there was bats in here. Actually, there might be some beds in there. But this will probably do it for my Iowa adventure. You guys saw the waterfall. You see Ice Cave. I'll come out here and let you see the outside of it. Tight squeeze. Ugh.
And it's dead.
There's a small passageway back there. Which I'm not going to crawl all the way back there. It's not going to happen. Here. Look at that. Just amazing. We'll go out and let you see the entrance. Beautiful cave. Decorah is very beautiful. Sorry guys, I'm going to turn around and let you see this. Look at that. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful.
Okay.
And that's it. That is Ice Cave, guys. Super cool. Very beautiful. There's lots of hiking you can do here too. There's a couple fish hatcheries. There's some eagle landing. So I suggest you guys, if you're in Iowa or traveling through Iowa, stop up here in Decorah. It'll be worth it. You'll have a lot of fun. Definitely family friendly. Like and subscribe to this video if you guys would like to see more content like this. And that'll do it. That's the end of it. Guys, so I'm on top of Ice Cave. Look at this climb. That is amazing. Look where I've come. I'm literally... Yep, go right! I'm literally just standing on these cliffs. It is amazing. It probably doesn't look so well, but that is a path leading up there. Let me see if I can climb up there.